The aim of this project was to create a city generator tool that explored L systems as a means for city definition and generation. The methods explored within this project looked to emulate different city types, including grid, linear and spiral-shaped cities that are demonstrated across the world. Requirements for each city include 2 random seats and road angles that all enable for completely unique-looking cities. Some real-life standards, as previously mentioned, can also be replicated to some effect through entering certain criteria. The grid style here was achieved through 90-degree road turns, which provokes evenly dense building arrangements. Cities are also calculated with void densities, which means that some parts of the roads feature no buildings. This tries to replicate some realism in terms of city density, as not all roads should feature congested building arrangements. Rivers would also add variety to cities, and will be placed at the bounds of each city, whilst also creating points of intersection at the midpoint and its upper and lower quartiles. If there is an intersection with a road, then it will be replaced by a bridge, to ensure that the river can cross the road safely. Monuments can also be generated and will appear near roads. They will transform the buildings around them to be of a certain type to ensure we are getting some sort of district type style. Spiral styles can also be achieved with 45 and 90-degree road turns. This causes a lot of star-shaped intersections, which is typical of cyclical cities such as Paris. Also, it features a larger perimeter road, which has tried to emulate the bubbly type style this pattern has. Linear cities can also be created, which require many types of road turns as long as there is an intersection and a river running parallel to the main road. Each seed will possess individual characters that will tell the city how it should react to certain letters, and each letter is mapped to some sort of action that tells the city how it should be represented. The letters A, B and C represent forward, left and right turns respectively. The letter D will populate the static road segments to be used again, and E will pop the road segment, resulting in branching behaviour.